Hey everyone, for this video, I'll show you how to see your very first Instagram message in one of your chats. With this tutorial, you will find out your very first interaction with that specific friend of yours. The first step is opening Instagram. Once you're here, you'll be taken to your feed tab. Now, go to the person's chat that you want to look at, and then all you have to do is tap on the Wi-Fi icon next to the signal and the battery icon at the top right corner. What this does is it will quickly scroll up or teleport like that, but in my case I don't have that many messages, so it won't work for me. So just try that out and see if it works for you, because I'm sure it does. But if you have many messages, then of course it has to load. But at least it's faster this way than just scrolling up like that. It's that simple. If you think this video is helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.